Protecting our gardens from pesky critters shouldn't come at the expense of our health or the environment. Chemical pesticides may promise quick fixes, but they often bring unwanted consequences, harming beneficial insects, polluting our soil and water, and even posing risks to our families and pets. Thankfully, nature provides an abundance of safe and effective alternatives. Let's explore the world of DIY natural pest repellents, and discover how easy it is to keep our gardens healthy and vibrant without resorting to harmful chemicals. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, is not just a flavorful addition to your dishes, it is also a potent pest repellent used by gardeners around the world to protect their plants. Its strong, pungent odor disorients and repels a wide range of insects, including aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and even larger pests like rabbits and deer. This makes garlic an invaluable tool in organic gardening. This natural defense mechanism is attributed to allicin, a sulfur-containing compound released when garlic cloves are crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive smell and its pest-repelling properties. Creating a garlic-based repellent is incredibly simple and cost-effective. All you need are a few basic ingredients and some time. Crush or finely chop several cloves of garlic and add them to a spray bottle filled with water. The more finely you chop the garlic, the more allicin will be released. Let the mixture steep overnight to allow the allicin to infuse into the water. This step is crucial for maximizing the potency of your homemade repellent. Strain the solution through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve to remove the garlic pieces, which could clog the spray nozzle. Once strained, your garlic spray is ready to use. Simply spray it on your plants to keep pests at bay. Neem oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, is a powerful natural remedy. It has been used for centuries as a natural insecticide, fungicide, and even a medicinal treatment in some cultures. Ancient farmers and healers recognized its potent properties. In traditional settings, neem leaves were often used in folk medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. The secret to its effectiveness lies in azadirachtin, a compound that disrupts the hormonal balance of insects, making it difficult for them to thrive. This compound deters insects from feeding, mating, and laying eggs, effectively protecting plants from a wide range of pests. To create a neem oil spray, mix 1 tablespoon of pure cold-pressed neem oil with 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap in a liter of warm water. The soap acts as an emulsifier, helping the oil to mix evenly with the water, ensuring a consistent application. Stir the mixture thoroughly with a spoon to ensure the soap and oil are well combined with the water. Before each use, shake the spray bottle well to ensure the solution remains well combined, providing maximum effectiveness with every application. Section 4. Peppermint, a refreshing repellent. Peppermint, with its invigorating aroma, is a welcome addition to any garden, not only for its refreshing scent but also for its vibrant green leaves that add a touch of beauty to your outdoor space. However, while we may find its scent delightful, many insects do not share our enthusiasm. The strong scent of peppermint oil effectively masks the scent of plants, confusing pests, and making it harder for them to locate their targets. This is particularly useful for deterring pests like ants, which rely heavily on their sense of smell to find food. Other common garden pests such as aphids, cabbage moths, and squash bugs are also repelled by the potent aroma of peppermint. These insects can cause significant damage to your plants, but with peppermint, you have a natural and effective way to protect your garden. To create a peppermint oil repellent, simply mix 10 to 15 drops of pure peppermint essential oil with a liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well to combine. This mixture can be sprayed directly onto the leaves of your plants. For added effectiveness, a few drops of dish soap can be added to help the solution adhere to plant leaves. This ensures that the peppermint oil stays on the leaves longer, providing extended protection against pests. Section 5. Cultivating a thriving, chemical-free haven. By embracing these natural pest repellents, we can cultivate gardens that are not only productive but also safe for ourselves, our families, and the environment. Garlic, neem oil, and peppermint offer effective and eco-friendly solutions to common garden pests. Remember to apply these repellents regularly, especially after rain or watering, to ensure their continued effectiveness. By choosing natural alternatives, we can create thriving gardens that are a joy to behold and a testament to our commitment to sustainable living.